Florida International.
So cute.
Nice close and speed by Adam Hayward right there on the coverage. This is a guy that they're very, very impressed with. They find who their linebacker is. This is a guy who's flashed throughout camp. Comes, delivers the ball, throws his arms, knocks the ball out by Adam Hayward. Another quick jumping from Valerio.
Layla, you gonna talk?
The incompletion, so third down.
She's like, oh, camera.
Has to wait for the snap. And tries to run and doesn't get anywhere. That'll bring up fourth down.
Adorable.
Let's check in with Dan Lucas. Dan?
Well, Chris Will Allen has headed to the locker room a little bit early before halftime. And he hurt his right shoulder. He's kind of squeezing his hand, so we're taking a look at it. He's able to lift his arm over his shoulder, so I don't want to speculate, but he's in the locker room. He's going to take a look at it.
And we'll check on that, Dan. Thanks. Will Allen, of course, the special teams captain last year.
Oh.